Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 8th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. Tesla is basically going sideways, so we closed up $6.76, 0.78%, closed at 871.27. Post-market, we are up $1.24. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Last Friday, we basically came down after the shareholder meeting. We came down quite significantly, but stayed above our channel support right here. I'm going to call this the second channel support. The first channel is right here. This is the first channel. And then the second channel is just a little bit extended. It is this one right here. So on Friday, we came and sat on this second channel support. And today we closed with a higher low. And we also did a higher high, but we have a smaller body of candle. We tried to go up and we were squished down quite low. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So the first hour of the day, it looked like we were going to go somewhere. We have a gap right here. So we opened up nice green candle, and I am not making this up. If you have a stock that is dropping a lot, find the next 2 points before this drop. And we have a point here. We have a point here. Draw a line there. And then this is the resistance that the stock needs to break. So it tried to break it on the second hour, broke it during the hour, but came back pretty much into it. Third hour came back down and then started dropping almost to where we were last week at around 857. As I always say, we need to have stochastic over 60, but look at stochastic here. It was 58 after the first hour. It was 59 at the second hour, 45 after the third hour, and then the stock came down. So is stochastic over 60 a good measure or not? So basically, we could not break this downward resistance. If you are not in Tesla yet, I would not buy until we break this resistance right here. We have support here. It's possible that the stock breaks the support. So the buy signal comes when we break a resistance, and this is the resistance that we need to break. On the daily chart, which is a more longer term outlook for the stock, everything is still good for Tesla on the daily chart. The stochastic is at 73. Everything else, all of the other indicators are bullish. So let's see what is going to happen for the rest of the week with Tesla. Are we going to break this support right here? If we break the support, then we could be falling down to 777 or something like that, depending on the speed of this drop. Let's take a look at the VIX a little bit. VIX had pretty much a sideways day today, still above 2089 as a support. It would be nice if we can break it, but it didn't happen today. Let's look at Dow Jones. What's happening with Dow Jones? We tried to break this little bit of a resistance right here. We broke it during the day, but came back into it. Stochastic is still super strong here. S&P 500, pretty much the same thing. Nasdaq Composite, this is getting interesting. So I just redrew the resistance here to make sure that it was precise enough. This is what I have here. So Nasdaq Composite is trying to break this resistance right here, and it cannot do so. It did during the day, but then closed back in here. This resistance is very important because it's possible that we start caving into that resistance. So we need to check that because this is going to impact the whole market. And if we look at Nasdaq 100, pretty much the same thing. So a critical time for the stock market, which is into a downward trend. We are still in a downward trend, even though the stock market has been up since June 16th. It's been going up like right here, but this is This is a shorter term thing because we have been into this downward market since the end of December. So this is a more longer term trend. So this is a longer term trend. This is a short term trend right here. So we can have both that are true at the same time. We are in an uptrend. Yes. If you are talking about from June on, yes, you are. And we are into a downtrend. Yes. If you are talking about from January of this year to now, we have been into a downtrend. It all depends on the time frame that we are looking at. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.